झूम 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 गाऊं मैं एरी सखी झूम झूम गाऊं मैं एरी सखी पिया से मिलन की आई बेला सखी झूम झूम गाऊं मैं एरी सखी झूम 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 गाऊं मैं एरी सखी झूम झूम गाऊं मैं एरी सखी पिया से मिलन की आई बेला सखी झूम झूम गाऊं मैं एरी सखी अंबर बदरा छाए मुरवा भी नाचे गाए अंबर बदरा छाए मुरवा भी नाचे गाए कोयल भी गीत गाए मिलन के सखी झूम झूम जाऊं मैं तेरी सखी पिया से मिलन की आई बेला सखी झूम झूम गाऊं मैं तेरी सखी आंगन भई हरियाली झूमे है डारी डारी आंगन भई हरियाली झूमे है डारी डारी प्रीत के गीत गाए मेरा मन सखी झूम झूम जाऊं मैं तेरी सखी झूम 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 झूम
Fresh air, no? Hi everyone. Let's get started in a while. Actually, there's a ship passing by, so I just thought I'll start a little later than after that. I find myself coming back here now and then, again and again, as I used to live here when I moved to France with my parents. And it's funny because I also made a video where I was kind of venting or ranting about how I am living with my parents back in the day, and you can check it out here. But I realized now that that time itself is so precious, you know. Every single phase of our life it must be cherished as much as possible, you know. And yeah, the place has changed. Right now it's winter, it's December, it's barren, and there's flooding in the Seine, and I have changed as well, you know. But every time I come back here, I have so much I find so much peace here. I just love this place for some reason. I might even move here eventually, I don't even know. But there's so much peace here. There's cute little houses here. It's not too noisy. It's the perfect amount of quiet for me. It's just a beautiful place with beautiful houses and so much inspiration. And I used to make a lot of art here, especially plein air and also inside and everywhere actually. And I just love it, you know. I just love this place so much. I have so much reverence for it. It's one of the catalysts for my artistic journey. So I'm really indebted to this place, and I will always cherish it from the bottom of my heart. I get a little bit emotional inside, I guess, because it's just so special to me. The memories I have here with my family, with my siblings and all that, and especially with myself, you know. I spend a lot of time in solitude here, and I realized a lot of things by being disconnected for around 2 to 3 years and just, you know, just being here. It is quite chilly here, but I'm wearing my fat jacket, so it should be fine, I think. But there's so much peace here. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. And it's synchronizing with the peace in my heart, and I'm loving it so much, you know. I brought a book with me, but I might read it on the train back. I got the poem collection by Ocean Wong. Time is a Mother. Yeah, I'm reading that currently, and I really want to get back into my reading journey. I kind of stopped. I started watching more movies, more so of movies, and the reading kind of took a backseat because of that. But now I want to get more into reading, so I just started some poetry collections and all that. The sky is, the sky is doing a different thing today. It looks cloudy. It is cloudy, but there's a little gradient at the end of from the where I can see the hills. From that end, there's a little slight blue, and then there's whiteness, like grayness, and then there's blue again, and then there's white again, and it's like radial gradient going on in the sky. If you notice, if you look deep enough to notice, it's a slight color, really light, but it's still there, I just realized the bench which is adjacent to this area was the bench where I sat and made a really, really strong drawing in one of my sketchbooks. I remember that. And I remember my friends like looking at the drawing and saying I should apply to design school or art school and all that. And that's where it all started, that's how it all started. The leaves are crumpled. Like aluminum foil or whatever, and then at the same time there's grass which is green, and then there's soil, and the river is flowing by and it's flooded and all that, and it's just so peaceful, Every time a person passes by, I'm like, what am I doing? But then I'm like, you just do your own thing, just do your own thing and don't. I've also encountered so many cute animals over here, like cats that used to live in the neighborhood, Charles Spaniels, and so many other cute little pets or people. Maybe I'm overly romanticizing this place, maybe I'm just having respect for it and admiring it and for all that it's given me, That's all I have for you today, I think. Take care wherever you are. Have a beautiful day, evening, morning, whatever applies to you.